Put the fridge lower part to the sunken left side trunk space. Take the upper part and connect the cable to the charging cigarette lighter outlet. Push the upper part of the refrigeration flat into the storage tank and clip the bolt on the edge of the lower body. Look inside to ensure the upper part is perfectly aligned with the lower part. Insert the quick release rods into the fixing holes, rotate and press them tightly, and cover the decorative cover plate. You can choose to put it in the compartment frame.